Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today I will take you to the tour for my farm, which is an organic farm. June month has just ended and monsoon has started. First rain of the monsoon has already completed and now we are in the month of July. This is July 22 and today I will show you what are all the activities going into my farm and what planning we have done for the future. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So friends, this is my organic farm and I have distributed this farm into 7 to 8 plots and I will take you to the visit to all the plots one by one. So let us start from the plot number 1. So friends, this is the first plot, which is my grapevine plot. Here I have planted different variety of grapes and here you can see the one guava plant also, it is over there. This guava plant I have pruned into the month of March and now you can see that lot of guava is on the plant. It is about to ripe in a 10 to 15 days. So this is the result of the pruning guava. Now you can see that grapes, these are all different line of grapes. It is at 8 feet by 6 feet. Here in the grapes, we have done the foundation pruning. So for foundation is the process of creating the stem for next season fruiting. For foundation pruning, we have pruned it 2 times and now all the stems are ready for bear the fruits. We will grow this for further up to the September month and then we will do the fruit pruning. At that time, I will update you how we are going to do the fruit pruning. Now if you see below, you can see the beds. If you remember, I have planted strawberry over here into the last season. Now we have cleared all these beds. We have digged these beds, added some compost and other manure and again cover this bed and ready for the next season sowing. And in between, you can see this another bed which is we have prepared and now we are going to plant a ginger or turmeric onto this bed as an intercrop. Ginger and turmeric seedlings we have prepared with the pro tray method, which I am going to show you. So this is my turmeric nursery. So here we have grown all the turmeric from the single bud rhizome and grown to this stage and now we will be transplanting this into the beds prepared. So now what you can see is the poly house or the shade net house we have prepared for our hydroponic growing. But right now I am not going to explain in detail about the hydroponic system. For that I will make a separate video and explain you about all the different system I have set into hydroponic. Let us go to the next plot. Now you can see this plot. Here we have grown the summer vegetables over here. Here in this area on these beds we have grown cowpea, cluster beans, okra, the bush beans and carrots over here. Other vegetables like vine vegetables, we have bottle gourd, sponge gourd, then bitter gourd and cucumber over this trellis mounted on the coconut trees. We have also grown some watermelon and muskmelon into the beds also. So these all are now almost at the end. So we will clean it and we are planning to put chili and tomato over here. So I will update when I saw this chili and tomato in this area. Here are the few custard apple plants. These are the giant custard apple variety for which we have done pruning last month and now you can see the new shoots are arrived very well and it has also started setting up some flowering also. These are 2.5-year-old plants and we are expecting couple of fruits this year on these plants. Now this is the field where we have tomato last year and some brinjal over here. Now we have prepared this land after removing the mulch and added some manure over here and we have planted the turmeric. Here we have planted the turmeric directly from the tubers and if you watch carefully you can see that turmeric is now sprouting out. So in a few days, once all the turmeric will sprout out, we will clean these beds again and remulch it. you can see lot of mulch we have done it over here to protect the turmeric rhizomes from heating up into the summer. Here in this plot we have done also this lychee and mango alternatively with the coconut at the wide spacing. So this is the mixed cropping part of my farm. So these are the bottle gourd vine. You can see that lot of growth over the vine is there, and lot of bottle gourd also you can see. Now we are not going to remove this bottle gourd actually. We are going to prune it and regenerate this bottle gourd again and take the crop. Here it's a fodder crop for the cattle. So it is a variety of a sorghum which we are growing for our cattle. So this is our fruit orchard where we have planted all the different species of the fruit and without repeating any variety. Here we have not done any pruning this year, and we have not done till date anything into this area. Now we will only clean this area and take little care of the plant in this area. You can see that lot of trees are now have new shoots and they already started bearing fruits. So we will be only cleaning this and taking the crop this time. Now this one is again custard apple and grape mixed orchard. Here we have taken grape as an intercrop in the custard apple. So two crops are there, and if you see the below, we have prepared the beds and planted turmeric. Here also the turmeric is planted with the rhizomes, and you can see the sprouting is coming, and you can see also the amount of mulching we have done. This custard apple is now 2 years old, and we have done this second pruning over here. You can see that pruning and new shoots over here. We have done it in the April end. So we have done the pruning a month before, a month and 10 days before, and now all the plants are having a new shoots and growing well. So now you can see this plot. This is the plot where our old citrus garden was there. We have interplanted them with the lemon trees. This is now 3 years old lemon tree, and they have started bearing the fruits. Now you can see that these trees are already started bearing, and you can see the amount of lemon it is bearing at the third year. See, this is NRCC 8 variety, and these are the seed grown plant but started fruiting only into third year. Now here we have prepared this farm for the intercropping of the second fruit tree, that is fig. So we have prepared this land specially with the fig, and for that I have put the separate video how to prepare land for the fruit trees. Now you can see that on these beds we have interplanted it with the turmeric, and turmeric are already sprouted and out. Along with the turmeric we have planted some sesame, and you can see that sesame is now flowering and fruiting, and you can see the pods develop on the sesame plants. So we will be harvesting this in another month or 1.5 months. When that little dry period is there, we will harvest these sesame seeds. And you can see that turmeric, now the weeding work is going on. So after weeding we again mulching it, and you can see that this is after weeding. We have again put all those weed and other dry matter as a mulch over these beds. So this will provide a good nutrition to the turmeric. So this is the plot where we have a mix of citrus and fig plus turmeric and some sesame. Now you can see that these are our compost pits. Here we take all this coarse grade material for composting. This every year we empty it from the bottom and again fill it with the big size or coarse size of the organic material. It will take 1 year to compose, and many times we need to refill this with the old material which is not fully decomposed and again fill it with the new material. So this is the last plot to show you. This plot we have recently ready prepared. After this the field is ending and the ravines are starting, and you can see that washing of the end of the soil is there. So we will protect that with some means, and we have planting the turmeric over here. You can see that we have already prepared the beds in this with laying the drip on this. Now we will be sowing this turmeric which we have grown in the pro tray and mulch it with the organic matter which is available, we have collected over here, mostly with the bamboo leaves. So this is all about my farm as on July first week now, and you can see that all the greenery, because of the rain, it has developed into the lush green color. So I will update you again on the same after a month or two for the development of the plants and other activities. So for now, I'm just ending this video over here. Happy growing!